Hi friends, this is the time to start with definition of artificial intelligence. Definition is a flag that clarifies the path ahead. AI is an umbrella term describing a group of technologies aimed at making computers imitate human behavior. It includes technologies like ES, natural language translators, neural networks, robotics, speech recognition, 3D vision, etc. Artificial intelligence is a packaged concept from the domain of computer science dedicated to developing machines that is able to mimic and perform the same tasks just as a human would. AI researchers dedicated good lot of time on finding a feasible alternative to the human mind. The rapid development of computers after its arrival nearly 50 years ago has helped the researchers take great steps towards this goal of mimicking a human mind and intelligence. Modern-day applications like decision-making, speech recognition, computer vision, medical diagnosis, robots playing chess, etc. have been making the dream of these researchers true. AI is one of the newest sciences. It encompasses a huge categories of subfields that range from perception and learning to more specialized tasks such as chess playing, story writing, painting, medical diagnosis, etc. Since the artificial intelligence systematizes and automates intellectual tasks, thus it is considered to be potentially relevant to a much wider variety of human intellectual activities. Artificial intelligence borrows largely from mathematics, psychology, computational sciences, linguistics, brain sciences, neurosciences, etc. In this lecture, we will concentrate on definition of AI since it is the first step to clarity of the subject. So far, the definition of artificial intelligence is considered. It has a number of definitions given by intelligentsia of the field. We will consider all prominent definitions before arriving at a common workable concept. Considering the above definitions, we came to the conclusion that all the above approaches have been followed in AI. Common workable definition can thus be taken out as artificial intelligence is the intelligence impregnated within a machine. The machine refers to a computer or any other similar microprocessor-based system. Here, it is to be understood that humans possess natural intelligence. Therefore, in short, the artificially reinforced knowledge into machine that makes the machine think or behave like human is known as artificial intelligence. So we have come up to a working definition at least. Here, we will see our approach to understand AI from various dimensions like reasoning, behavior, human-like performance, etc. Now we will consider 4 fundamental approaches used in AI so that its boundary, functions and purposes can easily be defined. These are thinking humanly, acting humanly, thinking rationally, and acting rationally. Number 1 is thinking humanly. The cognitive science and interdisciplinary field bring together the psychology and computer models from artificial intelligence. The psychology defines precise and testable theories of working of human mind, and the artificial intelligence converts the same, that is functioning of human mind, in computational models. Thus, we wish in AI that the machine must possess working process of human mind in its totality, which is yet to be achieved. Number 2 is acting humanly. The Turing Test approach. This test was proposed by Sir Alan Turing in 1950. It was designed to provide satisfactory operational definition of intelligence. He suggested a test based on indistinguishability from undeniably intelligent entity, that is, the human beings. The computer passes the test if the human interrogator fails to distinguish whether the written answer of the test have come from human or the computer. In case the computer passes the test, it is known to be intelligent. In such cases, the computer would require to possess the following capabilities. Number 1. Natural language processing, to enable to communicate in human language. 2. Knowledge representation, to store what it knows or listen. 3. Automated reasoning, to use stored information to answer the questions and to draw new conclusions too. 4. Machine learning, to adapt to new situations and to detect and draw conclusions in terms of patterns or arrangements found. 5. Computer vision, to perceive objects. 6. Robotics, to manipulate objects and move about. Number 3 is thinking rationally, the laws of thought approach. The Greek philosopher Aristotle was the first to attempt to codify right thinking, that is, convincible reasoning process. Aristotle's syllogism provide pattern for argument structures that always yield correct conclusions when given the correct premise. It has two big problems. Firstly, it is not that easy to take informal knowledge and state it in the formal terms. Secondly, there is a huge difference between being able to solve a problem in principle and doing it in practice. We are not going to extend this discussion since our focus is not on such topics. Number 4 is acting rationally. The rational agent approach. An agent is just something that acts. However, that computer agents are expected to have additional attributes that distinguish it from simple methodical computer programs. The agent is required to operate under its autonomous control, must perceive its own environment, should persist over a prolonged time period, adaptable to change, and being capable of taking on another's goals. A rational agent is expected to act to achieve the best outcome even if there is uncertainty. Thus, the boundary of artificial intelligence is thinking and acting joined with human and rational approach. The function is to provide zero-error inferences, and the purpose is to create technology that allows computers and machines to function in an intelligent environment. We will meet with the new AI topics in our next vlogs. Till then, keep your neurons active and keep watching. Friends, if you liked our blog and are benefited with the information given, then don't forget to subscribe it, like it, and share it. Thank you very much.